Another long day. Let's check YouTube, see what's up. Take a break. Iron Horse Garage. No. Iron Horse Garage thinks that they can beat me in a mower race? They're crazy. It's on. Iron Horse Garage, it's on. Iron Horse Garage? All right, man. Men. The gauntlet. It's getting thrown down. All right. Mower versus mower time trial over the internet. Okay, that's the deal. So, your mower versus my mower. I've got a certified green tape measure. We do 40 feet, time trial with your phone. You've got 3 guys, one of you guys can time it. I got to do all this work myself. So we're going to just set up the course. May the best people win, meaning me. All right, this is where we're gonna hold our competition, right here. I've got my certified accurate green tape measure. I know it's certified green. Where did my cones? Who stole my cones? Like, some thieves stole my cones. All right, Iron Horse, you poked the wrong bear this time. There's my cone. This is my racetrack, 40 feet. I've got another cone. I have to measure things. Damn it. How am I going to do that with this? I should have thought of this ahead of time. Anyway, let me measure this. You can watch. All right, there's my 40-foot mark. Let's run this thing out. See how far we've got to race. Sorry, you're crooked. My other tripod broke. I'm crooked. Whatever, ignore that scrap pile of aluminum. Here we are. There's the cone, right on the 40-foot mark. There we go, that's crooked. Close enough, we're good. There we go, starting at 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way out here. All the way down. Let's find 40. 40. Right here. There's 40. And away we go. First one there, with your phone. Time it with your phone. I mean, you probably will have your phone when you get there, so like if I say with your phone, it doesn't mean you have to have your phone with you when you get there, but if you're timing it with your phone, then you have to have your phone with you, so it all evens out. You see, it's because the universe is one, or fate, or something like that. Anyway, whatever. I have to get ready to beat you. All right, let's go over the machine. Oil's checked. Tires. I got a lot of steering tire here. Race pressure. Race pressure. Good, good. Check. A-OK. Race pressure. Check. Weight reduction for more speed. Check. Got that. High speed tape. Extra power. Good, good, good. Mower deck doesn't work. We're good. Disengaged. Disengaged. Finish line. That's the goal. Right there. 40 feet. I'm going to have to run the stopwatch deal by myself since I'm only one person and you've got like an entire pit crew. So that's the way it's going to be. Houston, we have a problem. I don't know what to tell you. I'll show you what's going on. All right, so you saw my time. We had an epic failure. I think it's sabotage. I think one of your guys snuck into the shop last night, probably sabotaged my sweet race mower. So let's go look at it. So there were a couple problems here. One was I think that the camera couldn't handle the speed and shut itself off, so I didn't actually get the full run from the perspective of the cone. Or maybe one of your guys sabotaged it. Can't rule that out without an FBI investigation. So we'll be waiting on that for sure. And then here's the worst part. Yeah, you'll see. Right. So there's no telling exactly what could have happened to this. Either the titanium just couldn't take the wind pressure and fold and broke, or I don't even know. The adamantium bracing I put in probably could have cracked with the re-entry speed. I don't know. So I'll have to send this thing back off to NASA to have it recertified for Mach 9000. So, yeah, right now looks like our race is going to have to kind of hold off. I couldn't wear my race gloves, so I lost like, 600 or 700 horsepower right there. I couldn't work the phone, so there's that. Yeah, anyway, I'm going to have to get a Chinook helicopter to pick this beast up and take it over to the shop so I can have a closer look at it. Yeah. Personally, I'm going to wait for the inquiry from the Department of Defense to figure out what exactly happened with this. Tampering on the part of, Iron Horse Garage. Don't know, not saying you would have, or even that you know where I live, or that we're 10 states apart, or anything like that. I'm just saying. I mean, I have faith in all of my builds. You can see that I've attached the front here with only the best budget conduit that you can buy. So, this one held up. No, it didn't, because I didn't put it on there. So ignore that. Oh, it's back in there. Okay, see, I'm not wrong. I'm just mistaken. So, yeah, anyway, I'm going to figure out what's the deal with this thing, and then we will race again. Oh, it's fixed. It's fixed. It's fixed. Yes, it's fixed. Oh, I fixed it. It's fixed. Look, it's fixed. It's fixed. Maybe you didn't sabotage my mower. Oh, faith in humanity restored. Let's go back to the shop. uncontrollable. Oh man, I couldn't control it. Oh man, I got lightheaded from the speed. Oh, I hurt my knee. I tripped over the bungee cord. Oh my God, it was so fast. Oh man. Whew. All right, well, I'm not going to don the safety equipment again because it's 92 degrees out here and I'm inhuman. I'm awesome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you that I can pull the front tires on this thing to put to bed any doubts that you might have of this sweet monster rig. Okay? Be ready. So until the investigation is complete by the Department of Defense, you're just going to have to accept my time for what it is, or you can choose to, ignore it, and I'll just have to race you at another time. So, Iron Horse Garage, I still think that something is afoot here. Needs to be investigated. You guys seem like nice guys. You're Mopar folks, so I respect that, like it. But I just don't see how my sweet ride could have broke. Can you? There's no explanation. It's inconceivable.
Inconceivable.
This isn't over. Not by a long shot. So until next time, thanks for watching the Half-Assed Garage. I'll catch you next time.